Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open and close a Honda Odyssey trunk easily. These will be step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into this video tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video will be me showing you and telling you specifically how to open and close a Honda Odyssey trunk easily. These will be, once again, step-by-step instructions, so let's get into this tutorial video. So there are essentially three ways you can open and close a Honda Odyssey trunk of the van. I'm going to show you all three ways, so I'm going to get out of the vehicle, and I'm going to show you the first way, which is to go to the back, and you got to make sure that it is unlocked for this, because if it's not unlocked, then it won't work. There are essentially, I was going to cover my license plate, but then I realized, I don't think you can do anything with the license plate, and I think my license plates have been shown in so many of my videos that it doesn't even really matter, to be honest with you. Anyways, so basically there are two buttons here. The one on the right it's kind of artsy, but it's kind of small and circular, and that's to lock all of the doors on the van, and this one on the left over here is a little bit wider and longer, so you're going to push this one here on the left, make sure that the doors are unlocked, and push this one over here. It's going to beep and it will open up. That's the first way. Okay, let it open up. And if you want to close the trunk, there's a button right over here. You're going to press this to close and step back. As an added bonus, depending on your model, like this is a touring, so this has this feature. I'm not going to do it though, but if you wave your foot underneath there, it'll open and close. Like you wave your foot underneath, the trunk will open. You wave your foot underneath, the trunk will close as well, if you have that feature enabled. Okay, I'm going to go back into the van. If you have that feature like available on your vehicle, which I have the touring, like I said, a 2022 Honda Odyssey touring, so I do have that feature, but I don't want to show it off. Just not a big deal, but just so you know. Plus, it's not on all of them. That's why. Okay. The other thing is, if you look over here, there's actually a button over here to the left of the steering wheel. So this is the steering wheel. To the left of it, there's a button right here. You can press and hold that down. So I'm going to press and hold it down, and you can probably hear, but the trunk is opening. Okay. Once the trunk has been completely opened, I can press and hold this down again, and the lights will flash, like the hazard lights will flash, it will beep, and the trunk will close. Okay. And the last way is on the key fob. Let me just get my keys over here. On the key fob itself, if you look at your key fob, there's a button over here that shows the trunk. This is the same thing as the button that I just pushed. You press and hold it down, the trunk will open. You press and hold it down, the trunk will close. And that's it. That's how to open and close the Honda Odyssey van trunk easily. Step-by-step instructions, easy tutorial. Yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.